Targeted Keto. Your ultimate guide to achieving ketosis. Introduction to Targeted Keto. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, has gained immense popularity for its effectiveness in weight loss and overall health improvement. A specific variation, Targeted Keto, combines keto principles with keto carbohydrate intake to optimize physical performance, especially for athletes and active individuals. What is Targeted Keto? Targeted Keto is a modified version of the standard ketogenic diet that allows carbohydrate consumption around workouts. This strategic intake of carbs helps fuel high-intensity workouts without disrupting the state of ketosis. Unlike the cyclical ketogenic diet, CKD, which involves periods of high carb consumption, Targeted Keto focuses on maintaining ketosis while providing the necessary energy for exercise. The science behind Targeted Keto. The primary goal of any ketogenic diet is to induce a state of ketosis, where the body uses fat as its primary energy source instead of carbohydrates. In ketosis, the liver produces ketones from fat, an alternative fuel. Targeted Keto and ketos. This process is achieved by allowing a controlled intake of carbohydrates, typically 20–50 grams, before or after workouts. This ensures that the muscles have enough glycogen for energy during intense exercise while the daily carb intake remains low enough to sustain ketosis. Benefits of Targeted Keto. Enhanced athletic performance. Maintaining energy levels during workouts is crucial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Targeted Keto boosts keto performance by providing the necessary glycogen for muscle fuel, leading to better endurance and strength. Improved muscle recovery. The strategic intake of carbs helps in quicker muscle recovery post-exercise. Carbohydrates consumed during the targeted window aid in replenishing glycogen stores, reducing muscle soreness, and enhancing recovery. Sustained ketosis. By timing the carb intake around workouts, Targeted Keto ensures that the body remains in ketosis for most of the day. This dual benefit of fat burning and muscle fueling makes it ideal for optimizing weight loss and athletic performance. Better adherence. One of the challenges of the standard keto diet is the restriction of carbohydrates, which can be difficult for some individuals. Targeted Keto is a more flexible approach, making it easier to stick to the diet long term. Implementing Targeted Keto. Practical tips. Calculate your macros. To start with Targeted Keto, it's essential to calculate your macronutrient needs. The typical ratio for a ketogenic diet is 70–75% fat, 20–25% protein, and 5–10% carbohydrates. For Targeted Keto, plan your carb intake around your workouts, ensuring the total daily carbs do not exceed your limit for maintaining ketosis. Timing your carbs. Consume your carbs about 30 minutes to an hour before your workout. This timing allows the body to use the carbs efficiently during exercise. Post-workout, you can have another small portion of carbs to aid recovery if needed. Sample meal plan for Targeted Keto. Pre-workout snack: 1 small banana, 23 grams of carbs, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 3 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat. Breakfast: 3 scrambled eggs cooked in butter, 0 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, 18 grams of protein, 1 avocado, 12 grams of carbs, 21 grams of fat. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, olive oil, and vinegar dressing, 5 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein. Post-workout snack, if needed, 1 small apple, 25 grams of carbs, 1 handful of nuts, 5 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat. Dinner: baked salmon with steamed broccoli and cauliflower rice, 10 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein. Evening snack: Greek yogurt with a few berries, 10 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein. Conclusion: You Targeted Keto of Keto, a balanced approach to achieving ketosis while supporting athletic performance. By strategically timing your carbohydrate intake around workouts, you can enjoy the benefits of both fat burning and enhanced physical performance. Follow the guidelines, monitor your progress, and adjust as needed to ensure you're on the right track. Targeted Keto can help you effectively reach your fitness and health goals with dedication and consistency.